What's going on, JRT Prod Squad? Y'all know who it is, Johnny here, JRTProductions. And today, man, I just want to bring y'all a video, short video, just kind of talking about what's next for the channel. What's going to be going on next? Okay, so first things first. So you know how I had tried the Zentech HIDs and I had a blackout session when I was driving at night, and they basically let me down in the worst way possible that you could be let down driving at night. So I did some research, hit up my boy Keith, and he found some lights that were really good. They looked really good. I'm gonna put up a snapshot of his car right now, and I'm gonna let y'all see, man, this boy has done this man has done the most, like, to his RT, and I mean, it looks absolutely amazing, man. Shout out to you, Keith, man. So the HIDs that I found, that he found actually, are OPT 7 canvas lights. Okay, so these lights, I ordered them. They're on the way. They should be here hopefully maybe by the end of next week at the latest. And I'm gonna install them, and from what I hear, they are really good lights. Got really good reviews. Keith loves them, and I'm just excited to finally get rid of the old yellow lights, man. I mean, they're really trashy to me. So that's the next modification that's gonna be coming up next. Also, I'm still thinking about the pedal commander. I really want to get it, but I'm still trying to, I don't know, something is just, I'm just holding off on it for some reason. And I got some other stuff coming up too that I want to let y'all know about, but I still just want to hold out on that too, because I can't give it all to you at once, man. You got to come back to the channel, watch the videos, and you can see what's going on. All right, so but that's mainly it, man. And also, man, I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, man. All my subscribers, man. I finally hit 3,000 subscribers. I think this, I've been doing this since what, January? I don't know, a little over a year or so. But anyway, I want to thank each and every one of y'all out there, man, for checking out the videos, subscribing to the channel, commenting, leaving your opinions, good and bad, you know. So I want to just give a shout out to y'all and just thank you so much for all the support and everything you've done, because I couldn't have gotten here without you. I mean, when I started the channel, I really wanted to start it just to share my experience with the Dodge Challenger and things that I wanted to do to it and installations and whatnot, and I've done that, and you guys responded so well to it. So I really appreciate y'all, and thank y'all so much, man. So as far as what's going to be going on in the future for the channel, man, it's just gonna be a whole lot more modifications, man. I don't know. A lot of people still ask me, you know, if I'm gonna trade up or if I'm gonna stick with it. To be honest with you, I cannot give you that solid answer right now. But I will say that I'm enjoying the journey. I'm enjoying the ride, man, definitely. But I know what's slowly creeping up to the top of the priority list. Camber bolt kit for the iBox Sportline springs. So yes, when you get the iBox Sportlines, the factory cambers won't fit, so you're gonna have to get those replaced. I caught myself trying to hold off on it, but I got tires. Well, my tires were so bad on my car. The Delentis were horrible. I promise you, y'all. Like, I'm gonna put up a snapshot of what they looked like when I got rid of them, and it was a horror show. It was really bad, and you can see how it was worn out on one side. The alignment is terrible, so I'm gonna have to get this camber bolt kit, and I'll definitely be making a video so y'all can see that. And it's really important. So nonetheless, I just want to share that with y'all. So next couple minutes, as y'all gonna see this video, out here at Auto Place Mall in Douglasville, and I just so happen to be headed to the gym actually, and they're having some type of event. I don't know, but there are cars. I heard exhaust and revving, and I roll past. I say, yep, let me go by and check it out. So without further ado, I don't even know what this event is called, but we're just gonna go out here and check it out, see what kind of cars is out here. Oh, by the way, as far as the tires are concerned, so I did get the tires replaced, and I'll show you guys these right now. Now these tires, I paid 600 bucks for the entire set, and I just got it from like a local tire shop. They are Linglong tires. This is my first time ever hearing about Linglong tires in my entire life. But so I mean, they're decent tires. They ride pretty good. The tread looks really nice. And my original setup was 245s in the front, 275s in the back. So I went on and did 275 all the way around, and I think it looks really nice, especially with the Sportline springs. with the lower, you know what I mean? I mean, it bulges out just a little bit on the front tire here, but I mean, it still looks good to me. I mean, it looks a little bulky, but I actually didn't mind it, so I was really happy about it. Tires are riding good, but please believe the camera bolt kit is definitely going to be installed, man, because that alignment is horrible, and I'm not trying to be running through tires like that for that reason. That's not the reason I want to be running through tires. But anyway, we get out here and see what's up. Here's a familiar sight. Look at this scat pack. Oh, that's nice. Charger here. Oh, that's dope. Wow. That looks good, man. Oh, he's got a light in the vent. That's dope. White Hellcat here with the brass monkeys. What we got here? Is a shotgun. I see this emblem here. I don't know what that is. JRT. Oh, look at the lube. Lube. Okay, so I'm gonna definitely know.
Brakes, my God. Trying about.
We got our 50-50 ranker going on. We've got some other rankers like the Fire Pit.
It's an SRT.
If this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Check me out on social media at JRTProductions 3. On Instagram, and at Snapchat. On Snapchat, you can find me at J_Rocks3. Nonetheless, JRT Pride Squad, y'all stay up, man. Bless up. I'm out. Peace.